And usually I don't even got to let mine sit. If I pour it in the drain, maybe 5 minutes, it's going to loosen that clog up and get everything flowing. But if you really let it sit for the 30 and use it as the directions say, oh, you won't have no problems. Believe that. I've never had a problem with Drain Punch. Awesome product.
You know what?
Carl made an awesome product, people. Y'all need to get on board. Get on board and join the Drain Punch travels because it's taking over, I'm telling you.
You know the neatest thing, Leo, is it to be able to meet people like you and help people like you and make
Yeah.
your tough job easier.
Oh, man.
That's very fulfilling.
When I got to this property, we had numerous clogs, numerous backups. My tech and I have been using it faithfully in turns, in people's units that are occupied and unoccupied units. We use it with all drain systems. I don't care what it is, tub, toilet, sink. It doesn't turn, it doesn't mess the piping up. We actually, like the guy said earlier, we use it in some of our AC condensation lines. Push everything right on out with no problem.
Have
That's
you
an awesome product.
have you seen where it's actually helped rehabilitate the pipes on the property? The
Well,
drain
we
pipes?
haven't. Now we've had some pipes cambered because of a lot of major backups. Now some of those units, it really wasn't because of the clogs in the pipe. It was maybe a root growing through or something. So with Drain Punch, I haven't had those issues.
Awesome.
No backups, no nothing. Usually when we use it, I may have a resident that's had a backup consistently throughout months. Put that stuff in the drain, I don't hear nothing else from them. Nothing.
That's
And I'm
awesome.
happy. You talking about making the job easier. It makes it 100% easier. You better check it out. If y'all don't know about Drain Punch, you need to get on it because it's a miraculous product, I'm telling you.
Thanks, Leo. Leo, give me a couple of seconds about the P-free. I know you're wearing a
P-free.
drain. I know you're wearing a drain punch hat.
So the P-free will get your toilet back white. I don't care what's down there. You pour it in the overflow or pour it in the toilet itself, you got an A1 winner right there. No more yellow stains, no more brown stains, no more mildew stains. Soon as you pour it in, it clears everything within minutes.
Usually let it sit and just come back and flush it.
If I let it sit, it may be for about 4 or 5 minutes, if that.
Wow.
Usually you can put it right through the overflow, scrub the toilet with the brush for 2 minutes, a second, it knocks everything loose.
Are you happy to have drain punch and P-free now?
Always, always. I've never seen, nothing compares with Drain Punch. Nothing. Nothing compared. No Drano, no acid. Nothing compares to Drain Punch. I can be honest about that. I use it faithfully, and we go through cases. So this man can tell you that we constantly order and we constantly use it in our drainage system because it does keep everything flowing.
That's awesome. Happy
Always.
Thanksgiving.
Hey, happy Thanksgiving to y'all. Happy Thanksgiving to you, Carl.
See you.